I'm gonna pop up music. Y'all can go to DatPiff, type in The Real Mr. CT. Y'all can down. I got free music up there. I got a few old mixtapes. I got a lot of new mixtapes. The new My Way is out. My Way 2 is coming soon. Y'all might have seen crazy promotion for that. My Way 2 is coming. It's gonna be crazy because I'm working with a lot of people on that. Shout out to my son, Young Mr. CT, Young Save. And that's it. Really, like that's for everything. Like everything. Like I'm on some social media I still haven't learned how to use yet. I'm trying to catch up. Like it took me a while to get with the Snapchat. Now I'm with Snapchat. I can get on Snapchat. I be Snapchatting everything. The birds, the clouds.
My kids be doing the Snapchat.
I like good things and some things happen. I'm like, oh, that's
and it's like it's glued to me, man. The Snapchat glued to me. So I mean, like I said, man, and I say this to say that is that it pays to be on all social media as an artist, and not just as an artist, as a business person, entrepreneur, a DJ such as yourself. It just pays. Promotion sells, and promotion goes a long way, man.
That's why I got caught off guard last week on the show.
Oh yeah,
when
yeah,
he says,
yeah.
Forgetting all that on social media.
Yeah,
to,
yeah, yeah.
You know, so-called other artists. I kind of was like thrown by that. I was like,
yeah.
Who would say that? Like,
right.
Are you serious? That's today's age.
Yeah, yeah.
Like,
so
you just threw a left. I don't know when they're supposed to go right.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? Like, but hey, it's everybody's own way of marketing and promoting and doing business, I guess. But
that's it,
I was kind of thrown out of that one. But
so y'all know, man, The Real Mr. CT, man. Look me on anything, man. I'm on everything: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, fan page, Facebook. Or if you can't find on The Real Mr. CT, type in Critical Thinker or Mr. Critical Thinker. That's last but least if you can't find nothing. But I'm sure once you type in The Real Mr. CT in Google, you're going to find everything. Everything will be there. You can download music, stream music, listen to music. I got a single called See You Down. That's on iTunes, Google Play, Xbox Live. And the list goes on, So, you know.
Multiple avenues.
Yeah. So, like I said, look out. My Way 2, man, coming soon, May, spring May. We haven't decided if it's early May or late May yet, but it's coming in May. My Way 2 is going to be crazy, man.
That's what it is, people. So, you listen to Mr. CT performing live later on tonight down at 105 Colony Street, El Condado Restaurant, with multiple other unsigned artists as well down there. Security going to be tight. Make sure you come right. You know what it is. Take care of the bartender. Should be doing some crazy things. And everybody down rocking it. You know what I'm saying? Our own DJ Lex going to be down there live providing the sounds and all that goodness. So, I know what it is. Get the drinks, get the hookah, get the party on, support your artists. You know it's going down tonight, Friday, 105 Colony Street, El Condado Restaurant in Meriden, Connecticut. With that said, it's the ride to the club, WPRX 1120. We're going to rock on some music and come back with Mr. CT. Let's go.